Ladies and gentlemen, and now, señoras y señores, don't break. It's time!
Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to the channel, and we are going to ask them how they're handling their mental stress because of this pandemic and board stuff. Okay, first we have, what's your name?
Ayub.
Ayub Kareem.
Yes, Ayub Kareem.
And
Abhishek.
Abhishek.
Rihan.
Rehan. And this brother is not from 12th, but he will give us how to cope with the stress.
Mohammed Bilal.
Muhammad Bilal. Okay, now the first question is, seems like you have too much white hair. How are you handling the stress, bro?
First of all, you separate that thing because that is different situation. And
Situation is different.
Yeah, that is our
Birth.
Yeah, my birth. And
Now you see the stress problem.
stress problem. First of all, CBSE is also ready to give stress.
Both are
It
stress.
is multiplied and affected our life.
Affected.
Yeah,
Very, very sad.
it's too much.
Too much. You're really sad.
I tried to come out from it, but it's difficult. See, for example, if you take one topic,
Yeah.
you want to study one topic.
Yes.
We'll do this, and we'll leave it. We'll do tomorrow. That tomorrow will never come. That everyone.
Procrastination.
Late,
You
delay.
procrastinate a lot.
Yeah. If you try your best, 2-3 days you will be best. The day after tomorrow will be same.
Like this. So it's hard to handle the studies because of the situation. But not everyone has a good hardcore mentality, right? Like, see, some people who have this champions mentality could do this, but like we are talking about the majority people. You understood?
Mentality, what man? Stress. It increases the stress. He'll forget the thing in the exam. You will see the effect, opposite effect in the exam.
Okay.
You understood that?
So you're really stressed.
Hmm.
You seem really sad, bro. It's okay, man.
Yeah.
Abhishek, you hold. And you have.
I'm so stressed that I forgot what I ate today morning only. Very stressed. Very, very stressed. Very sad.
That's bad, man.
We started studying actually before when they didn't announce these things, no, like it's gonna get postponed or something. We started studying. Now they're saying again they're postponing. So again we'll like procrastinate ourselves, no? Like,
I get it.
we just don't get the
flow. They're just affecting the flow.
going nicely like the flow.
Like in middle, if you're going in flow, your time, you had set a timetable, you have to finish it in that point. Now you have got more time. No, then tomorrow will do, no problem.
That is our fault. That is not the right mentality. That is our fault.
We cannot stop with that.
No, we have to. So, like, you know, it is.
It is not.
No, it is. I mean, see, so many wrong things we feel like doing, yeah. But when we are right, when we know, yeah, we do. But we are right when we know it's wrong, and we have to stop ourselves, and we have to work on stopping ourselves. Like, there are people who will not think, oh, there's more time now, I'll sit in my. No, nobody would think. There are people. there are people who will genuinely study because they have more time. They take advantage of it. His brother, let it be. Okay, there are, like, that is our mentality ka problem. But postponing itself is very, like, yes, of course. I mean, age is also going. Look at my condition. I feel shy wearing that uniform and going to school. Like, that's how it is. Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, like, right, when I was writing boards, I wrote English, I wrote accounts, and then I was going to write my economics exam. That night I prayed Maghrib and I came and the exam got cancelled. And they postponed it. I don't know, maybe they told like it will happen after some time. But then after that I didn't study, man. I just could not study. Like, I took one day rest and then I was like, from tomorrow I'll study. I'm like, tomorrow. My flow went like anything. Like, even though, man, like, you know, like, if I'm studying, like, I focus, but still, like, it affected me, man, personally.
It happens, but it happens, but it's not the way. Like, because of course we feel like eating junk every day. So if we keep eating junk, we're not going to be healthy. No? It takes a lot of body to become healthy and fit. You have to eat healthy. That is the extra pressure you take to become a better person. So if you don't do that, you're not the right person. Like, of course, even me, I'm not talking like, oh, now I'll go running, I'll go study. No, I'll be like, fuck it. Please, wrong.
Astaghfirullah.
Wait, why are they laughing?
Yeah, I mean, even that is not right. Like, that is my fault. That is not board's fault.
So now to conclude the topic, okay, we're gonna ask Bilal for some tips on how to handle the stress properly.
See, okay, first of all, like you should know, okay, like what this thing means to you, and like you like it's about like even if you fail in this thing, like not actual fail the boards, like fail means like it doesn't go as you expected. Is it like the end of your life or like this, man? It's just about like what is your final destination, like and the answer. Yeah, like for me it was like that, like even if it does not happen, like okay, like it's not the end of the world, like everything goes to the next life, okay, so like which makes me feel calm and stuff, like so it's fine, like it's just about like if you take this life so serious, then of course like it's going to break your heart. It's just like that. So
just chill, calm down. Just
yeah, it's chill, like like I used to be so chill in my 12th, like, but I used to just keep saying, yeah, I'll do top, like study, like work for it, but don't take it so seriously that it it affects you. Yeah, you should have that much capacity to not let it get inside your mind, like just keep it like outside.
Guys, love for Abhishek.
Yeah, love for Abhishek, all love.
What is it? So guys, we heard some tips and we saw the views of the 12 students. As you guys know, Ayub, Abhishek and Rehan. So I hope you guys learned something from this and you guys understood how to handle your stress, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you.